Hey there! Today, we have a great video about parameter transfer lined up for you. We are going to walk you step by step how to transfer parameters from PSTX Simulator to a physical PSTX. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of it and ready to tackle it like a pro. Let's dive in. We will cover everything in three main sections. 1. PSTX Simulator Interface. 2. Softstarter Care Interface. 3. Transferring parameters to PSTX. In this section, we will follow PSTX Simulator Interface. The PSTX Simulator is a simulation tool for ABB PSTX Softstarters. With this tool, you can access all parameters, simulate errors, test input and output logic, and simulate a motor start directly from your laptop. This makes it the perfect environment for learning how the Softstarter works. The PSTX Simulator is a free software available for download from ABB websites or ABB library. Once the tool is installed, open it on your laptop. Two windows will appear. One of them will be representing the Softstarter itself, and the other representing the HMI. Let's begin with the application setup. From the home screen, navigate to Menu. Select Assistance, and then Application Setup. From the application list, select Centrifugal Fan. Choose Change to Recommended Settings, and confirm your selection. Fine-tune the start and stop ramp settings if necessary. Move to the final step using the right arrow, then press Done. Now let's configure the input settings. From the menu, navigate to Parameters, Complete List, Internal I/O. To configure Input 1, edit 10.2 Input 1 function to standstill break. Save the setting. Next, navigate to 10.11 External Thermal Sensor ID. Press Edit to see the options, and select PTC element. After saving your selection, navigate back to Complete List, Protections List 5. Press Edit 17.2 PTC Operation Parameter to see the options, and select Stop Manual. Save your selection, and now you're done. It is possible to test the Softstarter from the simulator. Check out our how-to video series to see more examples. For this video, we will focus on parameter transfer. In this section, we will look at the Softstarter Care Service Engineer tool. It is an advanced tool available for PSE and PSTX Softstarters. It helps reduce time to service thanks to its simplified and intuitive interface. Like the PSTX Simulator, Softstarter Care is a free software available on ABB websites and ABB library. You can easily connect the PSE and PSTX Softstarters to your laptop, or connect a virtual PSTX via PSTX Simulator. Softstarter Care offers a complete set of tools. You can access, edit, and transfer all parameters directly from your PC, including those not available on the HMI. It provides event logs, supports troubleshooting reports, and allows both online and offline use. You can also save parameter sets in event logs and easily update firmware. In this video, we will focus on PSTX connection and parameter transfer. For PSE connection and a more detailed overview of the interface, please refer to our other videos and documentation. Let's continue our exercise. Open ABB Softstarter Care Simulator mode on your laptop. You will be greeted with a window containing information about the virtual Softstarter as it automatically connects to PSTX Simulator. You can confirm a successful connection in the bottom right corner where the status will show Connected. You will also see Online indication in each section title. Navigate to Parameters section on the left side of the window. Here you will see the complete parameter list, including the parameters we edited earlier in the PSTX Simulator. If you wish to make additional changes, simply click on the parameter setting options to either choose from a drop-down list or enter a numerical value. In online mode, every change made in Softstarter Care will be saved automatically to the virtual PSTX on PSTX Simulator. Click the button on the top left corner of the window while you are on Parameters section. Navigate to Save As option to save the parameter list as an XML extension file. In this final section, we will transfer the parameters to a physical device. You will need a mini USB to USB data cable available as an accessory in the ABB SoftstarterCare portfolio. Connect the mini USB plug to the PSTX HMI and the USB plug to your computer. Then open Softstarter Care. If the connection is successful, you will see a connected or online indication in the interface. Now, click the menu button in the top left corner and select Open. Locate the XML file saved earlier and open it. A new tab will appear showing the parameter set. Then, go to the top left corner and click Download. Confirm that you want to transfer the parameters to the Softstarter. The transfer will take only a few seconds. After the download, a pop-up window will indicate any parameters that cannot be transferred, such as the Softstarter ID and nominal current values. Click OK to confirm. The parameter transfer is now complete. The PSTX Simulator allows you to configure and test parameters directly from your laptop. Softstarter Care, on the other hand, lets you save and transfer parameters to multiple Softstarters in a fast and simple way.